You are dealt a hand of 4 cards one at a time. And let's answer the following questions. First, determine the probability that only the second card is a spade. So we know there's 13 spades, leaving 39 to be non-spades. So if the first one is not a spade, there's 39 cards to choose out of the 52. The second one has to be a spade, so there's 13 spades to choose from out of the total 51 cards that are left. Because now, after the first card, there's 51 left. So we're not replacing the cards. The third card is also not a spade, and since we already chose the 39, or 1 out of the 39, there's 38 left. And that's going to be out of the 50 cards because you chose 2 already. And then finally, the last card is not a spade. We've already chosen 2 spades, so that leaves us with, or non-spades, and that leaves us with 37 non-spades out of the 49 possible cards. So now we just multiply this and get our answer as 0.1097. Next question, determine the probability that at least one card is a king. So the way we're going to do this is by looking at the complement. In other words, 1 minus the probability that no king is selected. Since there are 4 kings in the deck, that leaves us with 48 non-kings. So there's 4 cards we have to choose from. That means there's 48 non-kings out of the 52 cards. We choose one of the kings, that leaves us with, or non-kings, that leaves us with 47 non-kings. And since we already chose 1 card, we go down to 51, and then 50 to 49, and then you just subtract by 1 every time. So there's 47 non-kings, then 46, and then 45 non-kings. We multiply, subtract by 1, and get 0.28126 as our probability.